Awusemhle. Uyakuphi?
Town.
Okay, wenzani uyajola? Uyajola?
Just want to do small things.
What is small things? What is small things?
Ngiyochina ikhanda.
Oh, but uneki ngiwiki nje.
Yeah, kiwiki.
Yeah. Oh, ufuna ichacha.
Yeah.
All right?
Right.
Yeah, nami ngi-right. So uthe uya emall?
Yeah.
Uthe uyenza inwele?
Yeah.
So indoda yakho ikusendela imali?
No, eyami nje.
Imali yakho?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna ask you a few questions before we call you a man. Ne?
Yeah.
How long have you guys been together?
Just 6 months.
6 months?
Yeah.
Okay. Incane kanje.
No, bengiphuma kwi-serious relationship.
Yeah, how long?
Somthola. It was 3 years.
3 years.
So
what ended the relationship? The 3 years one?
eish,
Uchithile or wena uchithile?
uyochithile.
I knew it. You will not say it's you.
Yena.
If it was you, were you gonna say it?
Bengizosho.
Bengizosho.
Amaphutha ayenzeka phela.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if someone cheat on you, you leave them?
No, indoda phela.
So what do you mean? If this one that you're dating now cheat on you, are you gonna leave him?
Ngizobona nje ukuthi besithini izathu sakhona.
The reason?
Yeah.
The reason you'll leave him or you'll stay based on the reason.
Maybe uzobe cheating nge-mistake, maybe bazobe bemsejusile, or maybe makuya busy echesana namantombazane, but akhona amantombazane ayilahlela emadodeni vele.
So when you say if he cheated a mistake, so amadoda cheat a mistake sometimes?
Etshwaleni vele kwi-groove.
So much cheat a mistake usho ukuthini? Please explain that to me.
Maybe yabo etshwaleni nje kuziningi izinto ezenzeka etshwaleni yabo.
So maybe akabhebha enye intombazana nge-mistake.
Yebo, bebhuke ke behambe lapho.
So even if abhebha someone ka mistake he put
phela indoda isono sayo ukubona nje mayike yabona nje.
So putting it inside someone by mistake, it's a mistake.
It's a mistake if I ngaphandle kwe-condom. Mayigqoka i-condom, it's right. Mayingagqokanga ukangamabomu
so but how do you expect someone who's drunk to put condom and ayejwaling? Phela are you saying they must always keep condoms in their pockets?
Yeah, it's fine because bona bahleli bevukelwe nje.